Hey everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Ever wondered how you can test out files, applications, or websites in a completely safe environment within your own Windows OS? Today, I'm going to show you how to run Windows inside of Windows, using a feature called Windows Sandbox. Let's jump right. First things first, you need to make sure Windows Sandbox is enabled on your computer. Here's how. Go to the Start menu and type Control Panel. Click on the Control Panel. Click on Programs and Features. In here, click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Scroll down and check the box for Windows Sandbox. Here, you need to restart your computer. Now, let's launch Windows Sandbox. Simply hit the Start menu. Type Sandbox and click on it. After a few seconds, you'll see a brand new, clean instance of Windows, completely isolated from your actual system. Look at that. It's like having a mini version of Windows right inside your OS. So, what exactly is Windows Sandbox? Think of it as a lightweight virtual machine built right into your Windows operating system. It allows you to run potentially risky apps in an isolated environment without affecting your main system. Once you close the sandbox, everything inside disappears, no traces, no risks. Sounds pretty awesome. Once you're done, all you need to do is close the sandbox like any other app. Remember, everything inside will be erased, so make sure you're okay with losing whatever you were testing. So there you have it. A safe and easy way to test anything you want within Windows using the Windows Sandbox. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. And as always, drop a comment below if you have any questions or video requests. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.